Now, let's treat some past questions from WAEC as pertain to this topic. Now, this question states, differentiate between osmosis and diffusion. They look similar, but they are different. Now, one of the differences between osmosis and diffusion is that in osmosis, there is a membrane between the cell and its environment. It passes through a semi-permeable membrane, while in diffusion, there is no semi-permeable membrane. Secondly, osmosis deals with the movement of water particles, while diffusion can deal with the movement of either liquid or gas, any liquid, any gas, so long as there is a concentration gradient or a diffusion gradient. And that is about the difference between osmosis and diffusion. Then another question states, state the importance of diffusion. State the importance of diffusion. Now, one of the importance of diffusion is the movement of water vapor in single-celled organisms. Water vapor in single-celled, for instance, amoeba, after it has consumed a lot of water, can easily give out that water to the environment through diffusion. Even leaves can easily give out water vapor through diffusion. Even our skins, water can easily be diffused out of our skins when we sweat. In photosynthesis, respiration, air can easily get into the cells. That's the single cell. For single cell, air can easily diffuse into the cell, and carbon dioxide can easily be diffused out. So diffusion is very important to living organism. And this question states, what is an hypotonic solution, or what is a hypotonic solution? Basically, a hypotonic solution is a solution where the concentration of the solute is low. There is more concentration of water than the concentration of the solute. When a cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, it actually takes in water from the solution because it will have an hypertonic solution within itself. And with that, we've come to the end of this topic. Thank you.